GE's sleek induction cooktops deliver an extraordinary cooking experience. Let's take a closer look at all the advantages of induction cooking. With GE's induction technology, you get ultra-fast boil performance and a premium level of heat control, offering precise temperature accuracy. In addition, the large cooking surface offers the ideal combination of flexibility and power, whether you're sautéing in a large pan or simmering on a small pot. When you turn on a GE induction element, an electromagnetic field of energy is created under the cooktop surface. But it won't get hot until it comes into contact with induction-friendly cookware. There is no transfer of heat without it. You can tell if your cookware is induction-friendly if a magnet sticks to the bottom. So induction is not only fast and precise, it reduces wasted heat and stays cool to the touch. GE's induction electric cooktop replaces traditional knob controls with controls that are not only precise and simple to use, but also incredibly easy to wipe clean. And since the portion of the element that's not in contact with cookware remains relatively cool, spills and splatters don't get burned on as easily, so it stays cleaner.
If you're looking for one of the best induction hobs out there, the Bosch Series 8 78cm induction hob is the one for you. The cooktop's glass panel is made of short ceramic glass, the world's only black ceramic glass that is manufactured in an environmentally friendly manner and is completely recyclable. This induction hob has two large cooking zones. If you like to be efficient and work two pots at once, then this will be the perfect choice. Direct Select Control allows you to select your desired heat level in just one touch. Each heat level has its own touch sensor, so you don't have to adjust the heat levels one by one, making it quick and easy to redirect your heat setting to the desired level. If you're concerned with accidentally making adjustments to the control panel while cooking, simply activate wet protection to lock the control panel for a short while for cleaning up. To activate, touch the hand symbol and you will hear an audible sound. Once this happens, the control panel is locked for 35 seconds. To deactivate, the control panel will automatically unlock after 35 seconds. To release the function early, touch the hand symbol again. So if you're going for the minimalist look that is also efficient, this is your best shot.
Hi, I'm Janina. I'm from Miele, Germany, and today I will give you some insights on Miele's new 2-in-1. Unlike a normal range hood that is installed above a cooktop, the 2-in-1 will be installed in a cooktop. So the biggest benefit with an appliance like that is that you directly catch the vapors where they will be produced. And another big benefit is that you have a clear, unrestricted view into the living room, for example, and you do not need to make space for a range hood in a wall unit or on a wall directly, for example. Also, in small kitchens, the 2-in-1 is a great idea. The controls are very easy to use. We have fast and flexible cooking zones, and also the cleaning is very easy. Smart Select is the most intuitive operation control we have in the whole Miele cooktop family. That means setting of power settings is very easy. With a PowerFlex cooking zone, you have 3 different possibilities when it comes to the usage. You can use the individual cooking zones with smaller pots, or you combine the area together, then you can use a bigger pot or pan, or on the whole area, a casserole dish, for example. If a PowerFlex cooking zone is used with the twin booster function, the biggest benefit is that cooking times are reduced to a minimum. It means that if on one small cooking zone the booster setting 2 is used, you get the highest possible output, because the power that normally 2 cooking zones will be used on just one. So that means you have twice as much power, and that of course reduces the heat up times really to a minimum. Above all, the 2-in-1 is a problem solver, especially when you would have a problem installing a range hood when you have a slanted ceiling, or when you have a very high ceiling, or when there is a window in front of the cooktop. Then the 2-in-1 is the perfect alternative because it will be integrated directly in the benchtop.
The Frigidaire Gallery Induction Cooktop has up to 5 powerful and efficient induction elements that offer superior cooking flexibility for your kitchen. The versatile cooktop is gentle enough to melt chocolate, and the power assist function, with up to 3,400 watts of power, generates rapid heat for a quicker boil. Induction cooking is more responsive than gas or electric, so you can easily go from simmer to boil. The cooktop also has exceptional temperature control, so you can quickly adjust heat with greater accuracy than with gas or electric, especially at lower settings. And since with induction cooking, heat is transferred directly to the cookware, the cooktop stays cooler to the touch, making it easier to clean. Induction elements are compatible with most stainless steel and cast iron cookware. If a magnet sticks to the bottom of the pan, it's induction friendly. Plus, cooking with induction is 70% more energy efficient than gas and 20% more energy efficient than electric. The Frigidaire Gallery Collection. Great results, less effort.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop. It's a very generous size. It has 2 separate burners that operate independently. The one on this side has 5 settings. I'm just going to move this over here so you can see. So your heat can go up to 5. It also has a timer, which you can set just by holding this down. It goes all the way up to, I believe, 150 minutes. So I'm going to turn that off. So did you notice when I took the pan away from this side that it starts flashing and it starts beeping? That's to let you know that there's power going to the actual cooktop, but there's no pan on it. And it's put itself back on the speed. So it goes from 1, all the way up to 8 on this side. This side has 8 settings, this side has 5. So you'll notice also it's black. It has a glass cooktop. It's really simple and easy to clean. Also on this side, like I said, it's independent, so you also have your own timer and your own heat control. Induction cooktops are super efficient. They bring water to boil very quickly. The other thing that you should know about induction cooktops is that you need induction-ready cookware. To test your cookware to see if it's induction ready, just take a typical magnet and place the magnet on the body or the bottom of the cookware. Check the bottom and also check the sides. Some pieces of cookware, just the bottom will be induction ready, so it'll take a little longer to come to temperature. But this cookware is completely induction ready, all the way up the side and into the bottom of the pan. The other thing that's really great about these induction cooktops is if you're having a big party and you want to serve, let's say, a fondue or even some type of soup or a casserole or chili, you can actually put this out on your kitchen counter or maybe even in your dining room, and you can let people help themselves. It makes your life a lot easier when you're entertaining. Induction cooktops are great for RVs and boats and even for dorm rooms. So there you have it, the Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop range.